appreciate it. I think some people wise of why they're in bike life and why they ride bikes. A lot of these because they're in it for the bitches, the popularity. Y'all know, and I've showed them how I drove miles to meet people, and they basically tell me straight up when I ask them their why, they said because I want to be famous. Why are you risking your life riding these bikes legally? If you own a pickup truck as your primary car, you have financial reasons and you're financially able to drive your bike wherever you want to drive it. Why are you riding dirt bikes legally? Because of niggas, females, whatever. That's weird. I did it because I didn't have no other way. I started out by a bike that me and my father went half on. We bought. I ain't have enough money for a trailer, a truck. I wasn't old enough to buy the bike or a trailer, or truck. And I love that bike, and that was my Christine. But the reason why I still ride bikes is now because of it turned into a mental thing. I want to show myself that I can do what I did and used to do with 2 working legs with 1 working leg. Pause. Yeah, bro, I'm still able to do these no-handers, do these one-hand touches, no-hand touches, knee knocks, all these different Superman wheelies. Show other people that don't even got nothing to do with bikes that if they see me doing something I love passionately, they want to jump off the porch. And also, I don't give, whatever you do, I want you want to do that more. And I don't want nothing to stop you. I lost my leg, bro, on June 2020. I lost my leg, got cut off, gone. June 19th to be exact, my leg got cut off, amputated by choice because I want to ride bikes. I could have sat with my leg and had a big ass boot on the motherfucker and oh my God, and been in my sorrows and crying and depressed because I couldn't touch bikes ever again, nor can I walk ever again. I could have, but I was like that. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get my life back. I'm trying to teach my kids how to walk, teach my kids how to ride bikes with my kids, ride dirt bikes and motorcycles with my kids. I'm not trying to be in a wheelchair riding around in Disney World. I'm trying to fight. I rarely street ride at this time. Rarely. To me, it's pointless. It's washed up. I'm showing y'all who I am. I'm showing y'all the reason why I do it. I edit my own videos and I kept trying to put it on someone else to do it. And I realized if you really want it done, you're gonna do it yourself. You're not gonna put the excuse on somebody else and say, oh, I'm waiting for Johnny, I'm waiting for Sevyn to do it. You're gonna do it yourself. And that's what I did. I did it myself. My son also, he helps my main and only cameraman. But other than that, we do this ourselves. The one person that I may help to say, I wasn't gonna get out the bed today. To say, oh, I wasn't gonna cut my grass today. I wasn't gonna help my mother. I'm gonna wait till the next. Don't wait, bro. Because on February 14th, 2019, I didn't know February 15th I would have died. I didn't know that I would have been on life support for 17 minutes. I didn't know that on February 15th. I didn't know that. I didn't know that on February 15th that I was gonna be possibly losing a leg, a limb. So don't wait till tomorrow. Take advantage of what you have in front of you. And that's all I'm trying to do is take advantage of who and what I have in front of me. Trying to take advantage of y'all and y'all attention to show y'all more and more myself. Like again, I don't want to keep beating Instagram down. Y'all gonna think I got stock in YouTube. But just for y'all to be a more open book to y'all, that I think that will help. I think that does help, and that helps me. It helps me to put these videos out to see how y'all react to it and engage in it. Helps me, and then I think it will help y'all. I'm just looking to help one person. That little kid that got, you know, that was born with either leg or 2 legs or either arm or 2 arms or in a wheelchair, to help him. Jamar does it. Willie King do it. He's cool. I just want to help. I just want to make having a prosthetic cool for those kids. He motivates me. Shout out to Darius117. I'm trying to get him to do it on YouTube. Might not be able to do it the second time. Just do it right the first time. That's my logic in life. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Love is love. This nigga in here playing drums.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? What's up, man?
Wake. Doing the wake.
Oh, you tuned in.
Oh, yeah, not
watching yourself.
Yeah, not copyrighted. Yeah.
Watching yourself.
Let's get it, bro.
Let's go get these pistons. Oh, yeah. They don't know what we doing yet, but we gotta go holler at Mr. Mike.
187 school murder.
Yeah. That motherfucker caught on fire before, I swear. Oh, that bitch caught on fire? Caught on fire? No, I don't think
it was like .0012 clearance.
And they clean the bad boy, though.
It was immaculate.
Yeah. And then once you do your break in, I know it's gonna heat up. That's perfect, yep.
Like to hear that.
Yeah.
Can we borrow your box if you don't mind?
Oh no, that's what I got it for. Because I didn't want to lose these stuff.
Let's start those real quick. Yeah.
Oh 24-hour shift really for. Bro, I don't think he understand what he did.
Yeah. He don't know what he did.
I don't. He vapor glass. Yeah. I don't think he get it. Oh, that's extra money right there. On the leg to do that. You know that. You know.
300 just for the board.
Then he want to charge you the vapor glass. Factory, bro.
It's straight from Yamaha.
Yamaha, bro. Come on, bro. We on a new level with this. God is good, bro.
We panicking.
Bro, let's talk business. Not slicing it up or nothing. When I say that the banshee ride good as a bitch.
Thank you, bro.
She rides so good to the point that no homo, I don't even want to touch it. I don't. But by you putting the new sauce in it, I know she gonna hit better. It's gonna respond better. I know that. But God damn it, she feel good right now. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, boy.
You know he ain't my man, but I'm just saying, I don't do no plan. I bet I pull off if you made me wait long. Heard that pussy nigga diss me in the same song. I done hit 2 niggas with the same tone. Big drum, 50 rounds sound like my ringtone. I just get to work and then I go. I really got pounds for the. You know he ain't my man, but I'm just saying, I don't do no plan. I bet I pull off if you made me wait long. Heard that pussy nigga diss me in the same song. I done hit 2 niggas with the same tone. Big drum, 50 rounds sound like my ringtone. I just get to work and then I go.
This is about to be a stroke.
My phone if you want a zone. Yeah, I'm texting, but that's how the game go. Smoking Velo runs, they got my mind gone. So how I'm in a different.
That boy, one man arm, man. I'm over here editing the video. I get it done for 4.5 hours for y'all. And he out here putting this bitch head together so we can put the banjos to use. Well, we probably we're gonna record and test him to him tomorrow. He got tested. Well, he don't have to test his bike, but I got to test my bike. Damn, that shit look good. With that silver, I love it, bro. That offset make it look like, you know, like a YZ125. And that's not that, what's that, Athena, what is it called? No, that's not that, that's OEM.
You got 14 foot-pounds on the spark plug.
But why are you talking to, you talking to spark plugs, bro? You're not, you know. No, well, huh? You can't, yo, what are you doing? You gonna fuck my shit up. Yeah, man. That's the old demonstration. Don't get it fucked up with Uni on that too, though. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely Uni on that, but.
I kept it in the family.
Especially when we push some more horses. I got this bitch supercharged now.
Really?
Had to put the Hellcat motor on that motherfucker, baby. Out with the damn old. I just had these in my bike. And look, I just had what was it, 3 rides on them? You know how niggas be like, yo, post your hour meter. Post your pistons.
Okay.
Come on, man.
That's the new challenge.
Post your pistons. 2-stroke prints from scratch.
No cap. From the bottom.
Shout out to my boy, man. My boy been gone for 8.5 years, man. Free 2-stroke. Boy, we love you, brother. For you to be thinking about me and keeping me in your heart for this long, it goes to show our bond and how strong our bond was. Rest in peace to everybody, bro. By you holding on to me and keeping in your hearts for this long, 8.5 years you've been down, you've been gone. That shows how strong our bond was, man. Forever, bro. Forever hot boy. Forever one way. You're only one way. 2-stroke Prince one way. I don't know about nobody else one way. This is the only one way I know.
The next day. Damn, D-boy.
Over here. My bike already put back together. I had to come here to take it to go do some testing too. Just look at it. Look at that thing.
Much later.
My boy got the boots on. Oh. That's 2 builds. That's 2 builds. That's 2 builds. That's 2 builds. You hear that bitch sound?
I hear how you sound. That many kids, so I told you the compression in that.
Another one. This is 64. He showed y'all he can build stock bikes, right? Now we showing y'all we can build these motherfucking monsters. Yeah, keep it down. It was lacking the cojones. It was lacking that. I put the 64s, I had 6450s when it blew up. So when we put the 64s stop. Y'all hear that motherfucker, right? Come on now. That bitch got so much compression, that bitch scared. One Tony Stunts, man. Line that shit up, man. Tony, I heard you got some work. Line it up. We trying to, you know, catch a friendly fade. Atlanta versus Baltimore. Line that up, Tony. What's up? From the dig. Everything kicked on over there. My bike. We just started first kick the first time, but he just don't know how to talk about. Sight. He built the motherfucker. That's what I need. You hear that, bitch? How you be? Doc? Oh. FSO Motorsports. Yeah, rest in peace, my man KTMC. You know what I mean? Got a little red in her, you know what I mean? God had a little red in her. Hey, they are not street tires. They are not street tires. They soft compound. Them bitches can't. So he'll get you anything right, man. I told you put that in the bag one more time, you good. You know, one more heat cycle. So we already did two cool downs, two what is it called? Leak downs, cool down.
Heat cycle?
Heat cycle. See, my son's paying attention. I'll do one more tomorrow. Make sure you use 93. 93 is not right. Look at that bad boy. Look at it though, man. Sexy as bike. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for subscribing. The 9.8 is back where it's supposed to be. I don't know why I thought 64 was gonna feel good knowing damn well my bike was with 6450s in it. But I did. Now as you can see, she hitting better and harder as ever. I almost killed motherfucking John Money. And I'm gonna go put him out for the rest of the summer. Leave mechanic down. I'm doing another day. Damn it, $22. But I got 5.
That down.
Where's the gas? Oh, with my freaking hand. Real man shit right here. It's like y'all thought we gonna do. I can't. This shit is disgusting. Ew. No paper towels, are you serious?
Okay. Be with me in the Cooper, bro. Ain't getting big again. I brought the chopper to the booth. It ain't no way that I can do that. I can flex up on the news. I just been rapping, staying cool. I ran into the damn.
My hands like that. Alright, y'all, bye.